Want to create a 15-second AI ad that looks professional without spending any money? In this video, I'll show you how to use Seedance 2 Mini to generate high-quality AI ads completely free. So let's get started. First, open this website and create an account. I'll sign up using Discord so I can repeat the process. If you don't already have a Discord account, create one first. I'm using this email address to sign up. Before you authorize the website to access your Discord account, make sure you verify your Discord email. Once the verification is complete, come back and click Authorize again. After your account is set up, choose the free plan. You'll receive 200 free credits. If you join their Discord server, you'll get an extra 50 free credits. Increasing your total to 250 free credits. Now let's create our AI ad. Create a new folder and give it any name you like. Then create your first project and add a video node. Next, select the Seedance 2 Mini model. Before generating the video, you'll need a product image. You can either create one using an AI image generator or use your own product photo. Upload the image, enter your prompt, and click Generate. If you want to use the exact prompt I'm using, just comment prompt below and I'll share it with you. You can also upload your own face if you want to feature yourself in the advertisement. In just a few minutes, your 15-second AI ad will be ready. The free version exports videos with a watermark, but you can easily remove it using another tool or website. If you want to create 15-second AI videos using the Seedance 2 model, click the video that's on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.